So coming to the second match, Punjab Kings versus Delhi Capitals. Let's see what are the teams and what are the grounds. So we have a new ground today. It's in Mullanpur, Chandigarh. So Punjab Kings home ground has changed basically, and Mullanpur will be the new ground for them. We will not be knowing the new ground, how the pitches and what are the ground dimensions. So probably after today's game. So it's a day game. It will start at 3:30 today. We will be able to know much more about the match. Coming to Punjab Kings playing 11. Shikhar Dhawan, Johnny Bairstow, Prabh Simran, Liam Livingston, Sikandar Raza or Sam Curran, one of the all-rounder depending upon the pitch basically. Then Jitesh Sharma as the wicket keeper, Harpreet Brar or Shashank Singh. Then in bowlers, Harshal Patel, Rahul Chahar, Arshdeep, Kagiso Rabada or Nathan Ellis, one of them. And in impact sub Athar Tayde. So basically Punjab Kings has a strong team. So they did pretty well in the auction this year. They didn't release Sam Curran after he didn't perform last year, but still their overall balance is pretty good. All depends upon how Johnny Bairstow and Liam Livingston's form is basically. Jitesh Sharma, as we know, is in good form and is playing for Team India now. Shikhar Dhawan, we'll have to see. Prabh Simran played pretty well last year, so if he steps up, that would give more balance to the batting. Coming to the all-rounder, also they have pretty good mix of all-rounder like Harpreet Brar, Harshad Patel can also bat a bit. And then obviously we know Kagiso Rabada is a world-class bowler, but Nathan Ellis is also very good T20 bowler, so he can also play. So let's see. Sikandar Raza is one of my favorites. Like he delivers with the bat and ball a lot of time. Last year also he won the match against CSK on his own, and was in man of the match in couple of matches actually. So let's see if they give chance to Sikandar Raza. Maybe they can make the balance of the side with Sam Curran or Sikandar Raza, depending upon that is a turning track or a seam friendly track. So let's see. Coming to Delhi Capitals playing 11. So today's match would be interesting to see from the point of view of the Rishabh Pant is back. So he would captain Delhi Capitals, and like we all know like what he went through last year. So he has recovered and will be playing. So that is the one of the good things for not only for Delhi Capital but for Indian cricket also. So I hope that he makes lot of run. I am a big fan of Rishabh Pant. Coming to opening slots, David Warner and Prithvi Shaw. Prithvi Shaw's form was not that good in the last year's IPL, but we'll have to wait and watch for him. Mitchell March and David Warner are in awesome form, so that would be great for Delhi Capital. Then after Rishabh Pant, basically I think they will go start the tournament with Tristan Stubbs. He's a very interesting prospect from South Africa. Earlier was in Mumbai Indians but has moved to Delhi Capitals now. Shai Hope and Fraser McGurk are also very good players. As we know, Shai Hope, everybody knows he's the captain of West Indies ODI team, and Fraser McGurk is a BBL star. So he is he scored a very fast century recently for domestic Australian league. Then Akshar Patel and Lalit Yadav will give them balance and are the all-rounders basically. So Akshar Patel, we know he's one of the best talents of Indian team. He's like equivalent to Ravindra Jadeja basically, even better batsman I would say. So he would come in at number 6. Lalit Yadav, I'm expecting he would play, seeing that the matchups with the Kings 11 side. Then coming to fast bowlers, Mukesh Kumar has played recently for India. Kuldeep Yadav is one of the best players for Delhi Capitals. I think right now he is in really good form. He took so many wickets in the recently concluding Test series as well. He is in form of his life, so he will be one of the main players from Delhi Capitals. Then Endrick Nortje if he's fit, otherwise Jai Richardson might play, and Ishant Sharma or Khalil Ahmed, one of them will play I think. Okay. Coming to the matchups for today's match. So Punjab Kings batting versus Delhi's bowling, if you see. So Shikhar Dhawan, Sam Curran are the left-handers. So an off spinner Lalit Yadav can play for them. And for the right-handers, I think Bairstow, Prabhsimran, Akshar Patel would be the matchup. Kuldeep Yadav would be matchup with Liam Livingston as he is an attacking player, and Kuldeep Yadav takes is most impactful when the batsman is trying to attack him. Then coming to Sikandar Raza and Jitesh Sharma, I think they are like finishers. So I think the fast bowler Mukesh Kumar, who bowls very nice Yorkers, and Endrick Norkia, Ishant Sharma would be the matchup for them. Coming to DC batters and Punjab Kings bowling matchups, if you see, I think David Warner, Rishabh Pant are the left-handers, including Akshar Patel. So off spinner would be really important. They don't have a straight off spinner, but Rahul Chahar bowls a lot of wrong ones, so he will be matchup for them. Other than that, I think Kagiso Rabada would be a good matchup for the both the openers basically, and Harpreet Brar and Harshal Patel will be matchup in the middle overs and end overs also with the Mitchell Marsh, Rishabh Pant and Tristan Stubbs. So overall, the DC batting and PKB bowling are not that good matchups are present. So I think it would be better for DC batters today's game. But overall, it's a day game. It would be hot. Although in North India, it's in Chandigarh, it's not. It's a bit pleasant right now, not that hot. But still, day games are like that. So I think it should be a high scoring encounter, considering it's a new pitch and all. So let's see what happens in the match. But the main thing in this match, what we have to watch out for is definitely Rishabh Pant getting back. So let's see what happens in this match. Thank you guys.